Have you been curious on how delivery works in China? Have you experienced ordering delivery and once your delivery comes, there are some sort of a problem that you need to take care? The thing is that you couldn't resolve it. And it's just simply because you can't communicate in Chinese. So if this is what you have experienced, stick with me until the end because I'm going to show you some tips and pointers for you to be able to deal with this if this will happen again. Let's go. Of course, with COVID-19, we have been stuck at home with no choice. And most likely, we have been stuck for a very long time and we need deliveries more than ever. So it's very important for us to know what are the problems that might be, and for us to understand, especially we need our essentials. So it can be through food, e-commerce, it could be for any other things, even groceries and important documents that you're sending out. And it's not only in China, it's not only for one city, it could be all around China and also all around the world. So what's going to happen now is we are going to make sure that we're going to start with the basics, which is the fundamentals, which is the first word would be 食物 means food. So the great other thing is that since we're talking about delivery, we're going to start with the most basic of food deliveries, and we call it 外卖. 外卖 means food deliveries. So now we are here and wondering, how can we order food deliveries? Or maybe the question that you want to ask is where? So where are we going to order food deliveries in China? So we're going to start with an app called Ulama. Ulama means, are you hungry? Are you hungry? You see how fascinating the name of the app is? Ulama. So the next app that you can go for would be 美团. 美团. This is also another food delivery app that you can go for. And the next one, guess what? You wouldn't guess it because this is also a social media platform that can even do food deliveries. How amazing is that? And this is 抖音. 抖音. 抖音 means a TikTok version in China. So imagine you're using TikTok, you can order food deliveries. So the next app that you would also look out for would be 大众点评. 大众点评. This is also a food delivery app, but in addition, you can also order medicine and groceries as well. So probably this is like an all-in platform you can go for, and you can just find it in the App Store, or if you're using an Android, you're going to look at the Play Store. So take a look, see which one would be the app that you would like. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over some good to know words, and we're going to start with 食物. 食物 means food. 食物. So in China, there are two types of delivery. One is urgent deliveries, and the other one is ordinary express. So what are the difference of these two? So if you're gonna say urgent deliveries, you're gonna say 加急件, 加急件, urgent deliveries. Urgent deliveries. So of course, the urgent delivery would mean urgent. If you need an item within 24 hours, then you would need 加急件. 加急件. If you don't get it, go back and practice, and that is urgent deliveries. So the next one would be the ordinary express, which, if it's not urgent, but of course ordinary express, it's already quite fast. It could reach there by 2 to 3 days. So China's pace is so fast. And that's why things are revolving so fast, and this is how the speed in China is. 2 to 3 days is gonna reach within China itself. So ordinary express, we would say 普通件. 普通件. Repeat after me. Ordinary express is 普通件. 普通件. When you say 普通 means ordinary. Ordinary. 普通. 普通. So the next one, guess what? This is also another type of delivery which is even more and more faster. More faster than the urgent deliveries. However, this app will only be within the city, or maybe within just the closest city from where you're sending from. And this is what we call 闪送. 闪送, which is, in English, we call it Flash X. It's like Flash Express. Flash X. 闪送. Remember, 闪送. This would be really useful if you need something very, very urgent that you kind of like forgot to send it. Or maybe you forgot something, maybe from the office or from somewhere, and you just want to get it ASAP. So this is very easy, and take a look. So another place that I want to introduce to you is what we call 电商. 电商, which means e-commerce. 电商. 电商. But when you say earlier, I told you earlier that what we call apps in China is APP. So you can say 电商 APP, or it's simply 电商 app. So it's an e-commerce app. So the next thing that I want to share with you is the most used e-commerce app in China, and we call this Taobao. Taobao, which is the huge e-commerce platform which you can buy mostly that are available in China. And in most cases, it's quite convenient and also cheap. In most cases, they also have their own discounts and sales, depends on the season. There are a lot of discounts, so take a look at it. Taobao. Taobao. And Taobao is an app where it's actually designed to have a marketplace within China. However, now they have been expanding, and it's easier for you to just order online, and it can also be shipped overseas in selected countries. Well, by when we shoot this video, but of course maybe in the next few years it can be easily found anywhere in the world. But there are still ways for you to order online, and it could be like a drop shipping. You can just order and then you can find some other logistics to help you to deliver it to your country. So take a look. It's worth a look. It's cheap, it's convenient, and most of the things you're looking for are there. So go for it. So of course we're looking at either local or overseas. So we're gonna learn the word local. 本地的 本地的 local. Local. And overseas you can say 海外 海外 海外. If you want to learn more, give us some comments below and let me know what is the interesting part of the video and what are the things that you want to learn more, so that we can also feature your comment, and maybe it will also be able to be beneficial with our subscribers and our students as well, so that we can reach more and more Chinese learners with their Chinese learning journey. And of course, Smart Chinese Learner, tell me, what have you learned and what can you apply into your daily conversation? And if you like this video, give us that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed into our channel, click into that subscriber bell button below, because we are going to post and upload new videos every week, so that we can give value to you and also help you in your Chinese learning journey. And don't forget, if you know someone that can be beneficial with this video, don't forget to share our video so that we can reach more and more Chinese learners, especially in this Chinese learning journey. And I'll see you on my next video. 再见。